All right, guys, we are here. We are doing some in-home tent camping because it is wildly crazy outside with 50-mile-an-hour winds. So we got the sleeping mattress already puffed up, and we got our new puffy blanket. So thank you guys for sending this to us. I'm super excited to check it out. So comes in a awesome little bag aspect here. Let's go ahead and see. I love this little ombre color, and it is folded over. So check that out. Let's see. It fits all in this bag right here. Okay. Has a little bar on the inside, so you're not going to have any issues with any weather. And then let's go ahead and open her up. Big old puffy blanket right here. Oh, yeah. This is a lot larger than I expected it to be. So you have the lower section, right? So you have a gray section on the bottom. And then you have the ombre section on the top. Let's go ahead and see. Now, I am about 6 foot tall. So let's go ahead and see if I can wrap up in it just like I need to, because this is what I would normally do. Got all my helpers with the tent camp here. And let's go ahead and see, laying down. Oh yeah, helpers helping out just like they should be. And super comfortable with this puffy blanket. I'm missing a daughter though. Feel like she could be in here helping me make sure it's super comfortable. Sydney, what do you think about my blanket? All right. Is it comfy? All right. So I think this would really work whether you're out. And I'm super warm. I am nice and toasty here without any problems. For the blanket itself. Let's go ahead and see the rest of the color. Watch out, bud. We gotta hop up for a second, please. So it goes from this tan color, yellowish tan color, all the way to the green,
yellow,
and then up to a navy blue. It is made from 100% nylon, 100% polyester, and 100% polyester on the inside, just so you know. But super, super nice. Ready to fold it up. You can put it right back in the bag. Take it anywhere. Definitely check it out.